this is system test 17. I'll talk you through it. You know, this is a cycle call point. So I've got the LED working in that because I've changed the settings. Bang. I like the alarm sounders, like the and the call points as well as the texters. I'm just gonna make sure I save up for them. You know, I know I buy new ones. Yeah, I make sure that's the switch, and I'm also going to test the Alibaba. You know, the Alibaba call point. You know, I'll have to do it. I'll make sure the light's on. Yeah, I need to ensure that's better for you to see it. There it goes. I like the alarm. I'll just put the key in there, side. You know, this one as well. I've got to put the key in from the side as well. I'm just doing a video. I'll take it nice and easy. Look, I had to take the detector down because it kept falling. I'll just stick with the call points. You know, also when I put the key in this call point, also I'm going to do. You know, put the key in there. And do. Yes, it works fine. It does. Yeah, works fine. I know. You know, this one, I'm not going to break the glass on this one because what should I do? Just use the key. I know I'll put that key under there, under here. It will go like that. And ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it works fine. I know it works really well. Yes, thank you for watching.